Hey everyone, credit cards often get a bad reputation. The common argument is credit cards tempt you to buy things you can't afford and can get you into debt trap. While it is true that if used irresponsibly, credit cards can create a big dent in your financial journey. However, the fact is that if you know how to use it effectively, credit cards can be a great financial tool that can help you save a lot of money via discounts, get access to many perks like free airport lounge access, reward points on shopping and travel, and so on. And more importantly, credit cards can help you build a solid CIBIL score. So in this video, we'll first try to decode how credit cards really work. This would help you understand how credit cards company make money. Then we'll look at the pros and cons of credit card, and finally we'll discuss 5 ways to use your credit card effectively and improve your CIBIL score. The CIBIL score can be of great help in your financial journey. So watch this video till the end. There's also a bonus for those who are interested in free airport lounge access, MMT Black membership, then Club Vistara Silver Elite status, and much more. So recently, Indian banks have reduced the airport lounge access, and there's a possibility that your current credit card might not have access to a free airport lounge. But fear not, I found a premium lifestyle credit card, HDFC Bank Regalia Gold credit card that offers lounge access and lot more. So I've got this card, and personally I found it very useful, so I'll discuss the feature of this card as well. Alright, let's get started. So when you swipe your credit card at the merchant shop to purchase anything, there are 3 entities involved in the transaction. First is issuer bank that issues the credit card. Second is acquirer bank, it's the merchant's bank where you are buying the product. And third is the network. It basically facilitates the transaction between issuer bank and the acquirer bank. You would have seen Visa or MasterCard written over your credit card. That's your network. Now the question is, if you're getting so many benefits from credit card, then how does the credit card company make money? So there are multiple ways credit card companies make money. First is transaction charges. Every time you swipe your credit card companies charges a fee in the range of 1 to 2% to the merchant. So if you have made a transaction of say 100 rupee and if credit card issuer charges 2%, then it would deduct 2 rupee and pay the remaining 98 to the merchant bank, which is the acquirer. So that's the first way to make money. Second is interest payment. At the end of the month, your credit card issue would generate a bill, and if you don't pay the complete amount on time, they'll charge a high interest. Third is EMI charges. If you buy anything on EMI, you will have to pay a fixed interest. Apart from this, there are a few other charges like annual fee, where some credit card charges a fixed fee every year on the credit card. Then you have your card withdrawal fee, over limit fee, and so on. Now let us look at the pros and cons of credit card. So credit card has some disadvantages like high interest charges if you don't pay the complete bill on time. But if you can use your credit card responsibly, you can avail a lot of benefits that include great discount on shopping, travel booking, hotel booking, and so on. Then you also get reward points on every purchase that can be redeemed during shopping, or some credit cards even convert your reward point into air miles that can significantly reduce your flight cost. Then personally, one benefit of credit card I like the most is complimentary lounge access at airports. Although recently many banks have cut down this benefit of free airport lounge access, so basically over the last few years, many credit cards started offering free airport lounge access, and due to that, the airport lounges have become jam-packed. There are long queues to get into the lounge, and it's difficult to find any seat inside the lounge. Moreover, when you use credit card for free lounge access, it's a big cost for the bank. And that's where many banks have now come up with minimum spending criteria on their credit card to get eligible for free lounge access. But in case you are looking for a credit card with free lounge access without any minimum spending limit, then I think HDFC Bank Regalia Gold credit card is a great option. Personally, I have also upgraded my card to this HDFC Bank Regalia Gold. Please note that this is a premium credit card which is reserved for people with an annual income of 12 lakh or above. In this, you get 12 complimentary airport lounge visits within India and 6 complimentary airport lounge visits outside India with priority pass. You also get complimentary Club Vistara Silver Tier and MMT Black Elite membership. In addition, you would get 5,000 rupee worth flight voucher on your annual spend of 5 lakh and an additional voucher of 5,000 on spend of 7.5 lakh. So if you are a high spender, you can get flight tickets worth 10,000 a year, in addition to the 2 complimentary flight tickets that you get on joining. Apart from this, HDFC Bank Regalia Gold credit card has a great feature of 5 times reward point on lifestyle brand. That include your Myntra, Marks & Spencer, Reliance Digital, and Nykaa. So basically, if you shop for 150 rupee on these lifestyle brands, you get 20 reward points that can be redeemed across category. For example, if you redeem the reward point for flight and hotel booking, one reward point is worth 50 paisa. That's a great feature. Likewise, if you redeem your reward point in terms of cashback, 1 reward point is equal to 20 paisa. Then there are 4 reward points for every 150 rupees spent on daily and retail spends like grocery, apparel, utility, then insurance, school fee and so on. Please note that this HDFC Bank Regalia Gold Credit Card has an annual fee of 2,500 rupee, but it can be completely waived off if you spend 4 lakh in previous year. But in my opinion, even though if you don't spend 4 lakh, it's worth paying 2,500 to avail so many benefits. Overall, if you are interested in lifestyle benefit like travel, hotel booking, shopping, HDFC Bank Regalia Gold Credit Card is a great card introduced by HDFC Bank with excellent benefits. If you want to explore the details, I'll provide the link in the pinned comment. In addition to all the benefits, credit card usage can really help you build a great credit history that can be very useful when you need a loan. So when you start using a credit card, you start building your credit history, and that helps in building your credit score. Now your credit score is the first thing your lender checks when you apply for a loan or credit card. A good credit card score of more than 750 can fetch you a car or home loan at a lower interest rate and can save you lakhs of money. While a poor credit score can even result in rejection of your loan application. So how can you ensure your credit card score is more than 750? Let us try to understand how to use credit card effectively to increase your CIBIL score. So first of all, you have to pay all your bills and EMIs on time. Your CIBIL score is directly linked to your payment. If you continue to pay your bills and EMIs on time, it helps in improving your score and of course saves you from big interest payment. Second is, if you are not able to pay your credit card bill in full, pay at least the minimum amount due. But don't default on payment, because if you default, it badly impacts your CIBIL score. Third way is maintain a low credit utilization ratio, ideally below 50%. For example, if you have a credit card limit of 5 lakh rupee, try not to spend over 2.5 lakh. At max, utilize 2/3 of the limit, but don't exceed it unless it is very important. Then fourth way is don't apply for multiple loans unless you really need them. Multiple loans itself means lack of financial stability and can result in risk of default. The moment you miss your loan payment, it badly impacts your CIBIL score. Although 1 or 2 loans like let's say car loan or home loan with timely payment actually result in improving your CIBIL score and it's build your credit history. And fifth option is ensure a long healthy credit card history that signifies financial maturity and contributes to a higher credit score. So it's good to take a credit card when you start earning and build your credit history. It would help in improving your CIBIL score. So in this video, we discussed how credit card works, pros and cons of credit card, and how to use them effectively to improve your CIBIL score. And we also looked at the feature of HDFC Bank Regalia Gold Credit Card. Like I said, it's a great lifestyle card, and if you're someone who is interested in travel, shopping, hotel booking, airport lounge access, you can certainly explore this card. Now before I close this video, I just want to reiterate that credit cards are not bad. They are like a double-edged sword. If used irresponsibly, it can result in debt trap. However, if used judiciously, credit cards can be a great financial tool that can help you get multiple benefits. So the golden rule you must remember is always pay off your credit card bills on time. As long as you are doing that, you will enjoy many benefits of credit card. If you find this video useful, do share it with your friends. I'll see you next video. Till then, take care.